Sergo, I'm really sorry for what happened.
Sorry? Anong magagawa na sorry mo, ha? The party's already been ruined. Look, nakakahiya. And it's all because of your stupid wife. Na wala namang alam gawin kundi magpaganda. Wala naman ng utak.
Balae? Balae? Pasensya na ha, Balae. I'm sorry. Medyo masama kasi ang pakiramdam ni Venice. Alam niyo na, sobrang puyat dahil sa shooting.